Hey folks, it's Ben. We're here with a box opening on the Red Barn Homestead channel. Here we have a Mastercraft corded 1/2-inch impact wrench. 7.5 amps, up to 240 pounds-feet of torque. 2 speeds apparently, 2200 and 2700, 3-year warranty. So that's pretty cool. Looks like a pretty nice unit so far. Let's go ahead and open the box. Got a tab open here and open here. I'm not going to expect too many surprises going on. Got a cord, holder material, manual. Holy crap, this thing's heavy. And the impact wrench, and then more holding cardboard that has nothing in it. So that's that, and the theft prevention on there. So the box is now empty, so we're cool there. Let's go ahead and put that over to recycle. So here we go. It's not much to it. Now, of course, if you're going to get yourself a impact wrench, you probably also want to get yourself some impact sockets. I have very few. So we're just going to go ahead and plug it in, see what we can get it to do. You got power right over here, so the cord's free. It has a Velcro strip to help tie it up because it is fairly long, which will actually probably end up being handy. And just right out of the gate, I'm guessing this is a rocker, forward and reverse. Cool, there are no other settings, it appears. It's yay or nay, baby. All right, let me read the manual quickly, and then we'll go try it on some wheel lug nuts we got over here on this car. Quick correction, it's 2200 RPM, 2700 beats per minute. So that's actually how many times that little hammer maybe comes around and strikes. So here we have a wheel of a car. I would never use an impact wrench to put on a wheel, but I don't think I have any qualms using it to take off a wheel. Now this wheel probably won't come off, unfortunately, because I have a special lock nut, but we're gonna try it anyway, because I've been having to drill out the stud on the wheel to get this particular lug nut off, but since we have a new impact wrench, we're going to just go ahead and try. Meanwhile, here I have a 3/4 inch. This is not an impact. It looks black, but that doesn't mean it's an impact. It's a special type of material. This just happens to be a black one I found, so if it dies, so be it. No big deal here. And these lugs are all nice and tight, so we're just going to go ahead and take our gun here. Reverse is on top. And pound these out if we can. Reverse is on top. Oh yeah, that was awesome. I have no doubt that's how these were put on. So that is amazing. So that is super, because these were coming off like I was almost having to stand on the bar. So super happy with that. I can see this being handy down the road when we start doing suspension work. The only problem I might see is that it's powerful, but it's also fairly big. So what I'm going to do now is tap these in. And what I mean by that is I still got this guy to get out. That just keeps my wheel on. Here's my worn out key. It's a star key, but yeah, somebody used an impact on it and its pattern is weak, and so is it on every single other. So I've got two I've already drilled the studs out of. I got 2 more to go, but maybe if I can put enough pressure on this, we can pop it out. But given how hard those other lug nuts came out, I'm doomed. Well, we can go ahead and give it a try. So she's locked in the key. Here we go. No such luck. Oh well. It almost looks like it goes. it's not budging. Like, it's not that I'm crazy. This impact wrench, which is pretty good so far, is hot now. So let's just leave that. Just this part here. Anyway, so pretty nice unit, I think, so far. Didn't think it could get that one undone, and sure enough it didn't. But if you have any questions on it, you'll see it in some upcoming videos as we do some more work on some suspension components. And if you have any questions, ask them, comments, leave them, and subscribe to our channel, Red Barn Homestead, for more awesome unboxing videos.